Okay, so today I'm gonna make Lebanese lentils. Watch all the food channels and it came on and I was like, that sounds great. I'm not gonna try and pronounce the actual name because I'm not trying to offend people. That's not mine. Well, just whatever. Anyways, so I need a recipe because I've never made this before. It calls for 4 cloves of garlic. I have 6 because I like garlic. I feel like the fish tank is a million times louder than it normally is. So this recipe does not call for them to be like diced up in it. You're just supposed to put them in the pot and cook them with your other spices. And you're supposed to pluck them out. But I think I'm gonna smash them in there and incorporate them later. Cause that sounds a lot better. Gross. I feel like we should name the new cast iron.
Paula.
Paula? Aww. So, because it's from Stella, that makes it really funny.
Oh no.
Because when Stella and my dad first started dating, we called her Paula Dean. Because her name is Stella Dean. So we called her Paula Dean. She didn't really like it that much. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? It was like a lot, but that's not the point. Where the fuck is the cumin? I need a cup of rice and a cup of lentils. I did get basmati rice. I am smart. Okay, I need to bring these to a boil, so I'm going to turn that shit up. A drink? Yes, please.
Blackberry or mango?
Excuse me, her name is Mango. Move my precariously placed fucking bag of rice.
Yeah.
Yahtzee. Stir in rice. Reduce and cover. So you put the rice in first, so it gets a head start because it takes longer. Then you put the lentils in.
Okay.
And then you cook the onions.
In the same pan.
No.
Saute them.
Yeah, because you gotta make them caramelized but kind of crispy.
So you salt the onions,
Yes.
and then you add them to the pot.
Well, you kind of put them on top.
So you don't put them in.
No.
You dress them with the salted onions.
Yes. They did say 50 seconds, right?
Yes. An hour-long timer. She only does seconds and minutes.
Alexa, stop. Ooh, lesbian lentils. I'm gonna cut some onions now.
Just don't move the board. Like your board has about an inch of counter framing it. I can see that. I can see that too. I'm gonna go She-Hulk.
What?
I'm going to go She-Hulk.
Oh, they said I'm gonna go to She-Hole, and I was like, excuse me, man, we just got married. I don't know what She-Hole is, but it sounds like I want to go also. A little funky. Little. Look, we just gonna cut that buddy right on off. Yeet. I like how she said don't move the board, and I have moved the board quite a bit. We're gonna go for some thin slices. Oh, it's got my eyes tearing up. I told myself I wasn't gonna cry. Oops, shit. I also told myself I wasn't gonna cut a goddamn finger off when my wife left the house. It's been gone 2 seconds. And this is why I don't teach knife safety skills classes. That's why I don't teach. Or I teach by, hey kids, don't do this. Like, you're supposed to hold your fingers back at an angle so you don't chop them off. I'm gonna cry. Shit. Oh, fucking onions. Oh, that was a thick slice. It's thick with like 3 C's. Fuck, shit balls. Good think I'm not wearing mascara. Oh shit, I am wearing mascara today. Ah. Oh, can't see. You just need to be thinner, I say to myself. I'm just gonna chop you in between blinks. Oh, fucking shit. Nothing has to be perfect. You're fucking gonna cook the shit out of them. Like literally. Well, not literally. Literally would imply that there's shit in them. To my knowledge, there's not shit in my onions. Okay, so cutting onions went really well. I'm like really fucking hungry. This would be a really awkward time for this to be like, you know, a meal that you think is gonna be delicious, but it turns out to be like trash. Hello, darling.
Hello.
Is that a bunch
My
of...
underwear matches.
It does. That's cute. Is that a bunch of eggs in your dress, or you're just happy to see me?
Well,
Oh.
can it be both?
Why did my rice turn gray? Insert It's Always Sunny, you know, title card. Michelle kills everyone.
Now I'm gonna go move my tractor because you make fun of me for carrying 100 pounds of feed with the tractor.
I'm just saying, farm fit.
I could carry it if I could get it on my shoulders.
That's part of the farm fit. You gotta throw one up, and you have to like pre-balance one precariously somewhere where it can easily like crush a small animal, preferably. And then you gotta chuck it up and catch it.
Yeah, I did that. And then I crushed Tank, but he's okay.
Oh, I was gonna say maybe you didn't have the small animal in place,
Oh, no, I
because
definitely
that's
did.
key.
Yeah, there is definite death on the small dog part.
Oh, well. I'm gonna hope that it's okay. And I'm gonna make Aaron try it first, you know, in case it's poisoned. Because, you know, safety first. Just kidding. I will try it first. I make less money. Alexa, can you get iron poisoning? Didn't marry you for your joke telling.
That's good because you'd be returning me by now.
Did it for the money.
Shh! Don't tell them I bought you! People think I'm suave.
Okay, you sounded like Christopher Walken. Tell me a joke.
Okay, what concert is 45 cents?
Huh.
50 Cent and Nickelback. What do you call a lesbian with long nails?
Single.
Yep.
Werewolves, not swearwolves.
What do lesbians cook for dinner?
Lesbian lentils and rice.
They don't cook, they just eat out.
No, it's COVID. I made you lesbian lentils. Thought you were American. And voila, that's it. That's it.